Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of those bumps that you might have on your sweater. They are called sweater bumps and we all hate them for sure. Now, you may be storing your sweaters in something like this to prevent that. You may have those wooden hangers that say prevent it as well. But today I'm going to be showing you how to hang your hangers without that. Now, I personally like these hangers that have the velvet on them right here. And this is how you can hang your sweaters in your closet without having sweater bumps. Now, this also works for long t-shirts, because sometimes that happens with long t-shirts as well, especially if you're here in Texas like us. We don't wear long sleeve quite often, and so they just stay in the closet, and by the next season sometimes you have those bumps. So all you do is going to lay your hanger in this direction right here, right at the armpit. You're going to fold it in half. So let me show you right here. You have it folded in half just like this. You're going to hang your hanger like this, and then take the bottom of your sweater and fold it over. This is going to be the heavier side right here. And then take the arms and fold it over like this, and voila, you will have your hanging sweater. And it doesn't take as much room up as those wooden hangers, because these hangers right here, which I love, are super thin. And I love it, and you can get more in your closet, especially if it's a small closet or you're sharing a closet. This way you can hang up everything, see exactly what you have, versus putting it into a bin like this and having to look through all of this to find what you have. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to know how to get stinky smells out of your dishwasher, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you next time. Bye.